Good day everyone! Nagkaroon na ng bagong model ang ating X-Force. From 2 variant ngayon, naging 3 variant na. Ito ang ating entry level na 2027 X-Force GLX CVT transmission. At syempre, sa features hindi pa huli dahil naka-LED headlight with LED fog lamp and daytime running light. Sa wheels, sa ating variant na GLX, naka 17-inch alloy wheel. Pero sa kanyang ground clearance is nasa 193 mm. Kaya pwede kahit sa ang road condition. Sa loob, feature-wise pa rin dahil meron siyang 4.2-inch multi-information display and 8 inches smartphone display audio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mas maliit siya compare kay GLS at GT, but yung function same pa rin sila. And sa transmission, ganun pa rin, naka CVT with electronic parking brake and brake auto hold, and with rear camera and parking sensor. Overall, solid siya for the price of 1,119,000. And for the net price is 1,049,000. For the in-house bank financing, as low as 23,165 monthly for 5 years, and naka-low down payment tayo po dyan. Kaya kung interesado ka sa ating 2027 X-Force GLX CVT, ano pa inaantay mo? Message mo lang ako or PM mo ako sa social media account. At see you sa release day.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.